we go. I'm going to turn the key. There you go. See, the oil pressure comes up. Oil pressure's coming up. That's good. Keep an eye on the temp. The alternator shows a discharge, which is probably accurate. I'm not sure how that's going to work. I'm going to throttle it a couple times. Watch the tap. Hope that tach moved. I don't know. Oil pressure's looking good. I'm going to take you out now. So we started with the umbilical cord. I got to watch my fuel because I got a total lost fuel system. My return line just going back into this tank. Yeah. So, obviously it's not using much fuel right now. I'm using the fuel out of the car's fuel pump going into this rail here. So, the alternator's not doing anything, that fuel pump's not running or hooked up to anything. It's just running as if it was in the car. I don't know if I can trust that water temperature because that was some kind of weird one-piece sensor unit. I don't really trust that it works, but let's just see if the meter moves all. But I mainly wanted to see that the engine would start using my 6-pin connector as configured, and it did. So we're all good there. I think it had a kind of a slow start because my wiring isn't the best right now. As far as, you know, the umbilical, you're probably losing some stuff over the umbilical cord. Let me disconnect the camera from the mount. Let's get back in here. Yeah, the temp's coming up. Everything's looking really good. I can't throttle it, of course, because that doesn't work. That's not hooked up to the right throttle. But there you go. Looking good. And I disconnected the, well, you can't see it very well in there, but I disconnected the electronic spark module there. I disconnected this ECU here. I disconnected this coil, so I'm just running off the positive lead of the coil, and that's the negative that gives it the feed for a tachometer. There's my, I'm just feeding back the temperature sender back to the harness. It uses the harness for this one, so I'll drive the temp gauge in the car. And the same with the oil pressure. Right there, that green one's the oil pressure. So you got and the start is the other yellow one. The solid yellow one is the start switch, the start solenoid. Actually, well, from the harness here, I disconnected that start solenoid, obviously. This yellow wire goes back to that start solenoid. There's your green wire coming off this for the pressure. And of course, there's the other green and red wire for the temperature. Anyway, there it goes. It works great. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off before I overflow my tank here. It's getting full. Because most of the fuel isn't being burned, obviously. That thing was empty. It's almost full. Stop. Perfect. All right. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.